How to delete Facebook account. Open Facebook. On the top right corner, you can see hamburger icon. Click on that. Then scroll down to bottom. You can see setting and privacy. Click on that. Then click on settings. Now you can see Meta Account Center on top of your screen. Click on see more in Account Center. Scroll down and you will be able to see personal details. Click on that. Now at the bottom of your screen, you can see account ownership and control. Click on that and then click on deactivation or deletion. Now select the account that you would like to delete. Then click on delete the account. Then click on continue. Now select any reason that you would like to give to Facebook to delete your account. Now scroll down to bottom and click on continue. Now scroll down to bottom. Click on continue. And you will be asked to enter your Facebook account password. So enter it and click on continue. And last but not least, select on delete account and your account will be permanently deleted. You can recover your account within 30 days if you want. Thank you for watching this video. Stick with us for more tutorial contents.